It's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, and just like them old stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn. Some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't want to be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, still looking up. Well, I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough. He knows we got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up.
Tuwing umulan ay naalala tayong dalawa. Kay sarap isipin na may kasama sa buhay pag bumaha. Sukob na, halika na, sabay tayo sa payong ko. Hawak ka, kapit pa sa payong ko, magkasama tayo. Hindi ka pababayaan na mag-isa sa ulan. Aalagaan, pagtatawanan, wala na itong iwanan. Halika na, sabay tayo sa payong ko. Hawak ka, feeling fades through time. I'm lost for words, endlessly waiting for you. Stay with me. Listen, no, this cannot be. As morning comes, I say goodbye to you when I'm done. To the sun, because I'm waiting for you, waiting for this dream to come true, just to be with you. And if I die, remember this line: I'm always here, guarding your life, guarding your life. I am yours. I'm completely trapped in your soul, dazed and confused, swept away with your own words. You're my star, invincible, haunting and far. Grace under fire, someone is building my heart, in my heart. Because I've been waiting for you, waiting for this dream to come true, just to be with you. And if I die, remember these lines: I'm always here, guarding you, slowly falling into you. I'm obsessed with the fact that I'm with you, and I can't breathe without you. Because I've been waiting for you, been waiting for this dream to come true, just to be with you.